Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have a to the power of n plus 2 to the power of n is equal to 130, and we will solve this problem for the values of n or real values of n. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first we will write this 8 as 2 to the power of 3 and its whole power n plus 2 to the power of n is equals to 130. After this step we will apply here the nice exponential law, and you know about this law. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of n to the power of m is equals to a to the power of m times of n. So it means that if you have exponent to the exponent, then we will interchange these two exponents, then we will get the same answer. So that here we will interchange these two exponents and we will get the output in the form of 2 to the power of n and its whole cubed plus 2 to the power of n is equals to 130. After that we will change this uh, exponential equation into the cubic form, so that we will take here y is equals to 2 to the power of n. So when we put y is equals to 2 to the power of n, so that this exponential equation will becomes in cubic form, and it is written as y cubed plus y is equals to 130. After this step we move this 130 in the left hand side and we get y cubed plus y minus 130 is equals to 0. After that we will make the factors of this cubic equation, and we see that here we need any two numbers whose product is minus 130, and the sum of these two numbers is plus 1, so that these two numbers are minus 25 into plus 26. So when you multiply minus 25 by 26, you get minus 130, and when you add minus 25 and plus 26, then you get plus 1. So that here you multiply this term by y and you get y is equals to minus 25y plus 26y. So now we just replace this y by this term, so that our given expression will be written as, or this equation will be written as y cubed, and we put the value of y, which is minus 25y plus 26y. We put here, you get minus 25y plus 26y minus 130 is equal to 0. So now we make factors and we take common y from first two terms and we take common 26 from the other two terms. So we get y times of y square minus 25, and when we take common 26 we get y minus 5 is equals to 0. After that we will use here the nice square formula, and you know that if we have a squared minus b squared, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So now we use this nice formula, so that first I can write this term in this formula, so that we write y times of y square minus 5 square plus 26 times of y minus 5 is equals to 0. So in the next step we will use this square formula in this term, and we get y times of y minus 5 into y plus 5 and plus 26 times of y minus 5 is equal to 0. And here you see that y minus 5 will be common term, so we take it common and we get y minus 5 times of y into y plus 5 and plus 26 is equal to 0. So now we simplify the terms and we get y minus 5 times of y squared plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. Now here we have two cases. The first case is we take y minus 5 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take y squared plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. So in the first case you get the value of y is 5, and similarly in order to find the other real roots we will solve this quadratic equation. So now first I can check is this quadratic equation has real roots or not, so that I can use here the discriminant formula, and you well known about this discriminant formula, so I will little bit explain this. So here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equals to 26, and our discriminant formula is b squared minus 4 times of ac, and you know here if this delta gives us the value which is less than 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has no real root. Or if this delta is greater than 0, then we say that given quadratic equation has two real roots. Or if this is equals to 0, then we say that this quadratic equation has one real root. So now we check the behavior of this delta by putting the values of a, b and c, so that we obtain delta is equals to, here you have b square, the value of b is 5, so 5 square is 25 minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 26, so 4 times of 26 is equals to 104. So 25 minus 104 is equals to minus 79, so it is less than 0, and we say that it has no real root, so we will reject it this case and we will just proceed here this case only. And now we put or back substitute the value of y, and in the start of the question we will take y is equals to 2 to the power of n, so it is equals to 5. And now in order to find the value of n we will take the log on both of the sides, so you get log of 2 to the power of n is equals to log 5. And now we can apply here the nice property of logarithm, and you know that about this property, if we have log of a to the power of m, so it is equals to m times of log a. Now we use this property here and we get n times of log 2 is equals to log 5. So now we move this log 2 in the right hand side and you get n is equals to log 5 over log 2. And now we can use the calculator in order to find the values of log 5 and log 2, so that log 5 is equals to 0.6989 and the value of log 2 is 0.3010. So when we divide these two terms, so finally we get n is equals to 2.32 and 19. So this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.